Hi all. I hope that this video finds everyone doing okay and hanging in there towards the end of the semester. We are at the start of Module 3 for the TOC course, which means that we're halfway through the course. And so far we've talked about getting used to and introduced to online teaching. And in Module 2, we had a lively discussion about how to orient our students and how to motivate them and get them engaged in the online classroom. And this week, we're going to talk about social presence. Social presence can be the interaction between learners, and it also can be about the interaction between learners and instructors. And we're going to focus in particular on how to create your own social presence in the online classroom. It's kind of personal. I think that people have to do what they feel comfortable with, and they have to find their own personality. So there's not really a wrong or right, but we'll look at some of the resources. And so as usual, our module opens up with a description, the objectives of what you should accomplish by the end of the module. And then we have the checklist that you can use to track your progress and the due dates. So the first part of the module focuses on establishing your instructor presence in the classroom. And you have 5 articles that can help you to give you some background information, and then you'll respond to the discussion board post on how you plan to establish your instructor presence. The second part is about feedback. We've had some discussion so far about feedback and how important it is. And so you'll do some reading about the importance of leaving feedback and some ways to do it. And then in the discussion board, you'll describe how you plan on conducting instructor feedback. And the last assignment is very practical. In your syllabus, you should have a policy on instructor feedback, and this means the time in which you will respond to emails and the time in which you will do grading. There's not really a college policy, that each instructor makes their own policy. So in this assignment, you will be making your own policy. You will also notice on the course menu bar that at this time, you will see my groups and the group activity wiki. This is for week 4. You are going to be doing a group project so that you can see how it feels to do a group project online. The experience may be very positive. It may not be. Depends on the group. So I wish you all the best, but you can at this point go in to see who's in your group, contact them. If you want to look at the group activity and what the requirements are, you can go ahead and look into Module 4, which will walk you through the wiki project. That is for week 4, but if you do want to get started and at least meet the members of your group, you can go ahead and do that now. Okay, take care and see you online.